Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss back exercise and short question answers of chapter 14. Chapter 14 is chemical effects of electric current. So let's start. I'm starting with MCQs. First is, which of the following is not a conductor of electricity? Four options have been given: petrol, hot water, tap water, lemon juice. Okay. So as we have studied in the chapter, some liquids are good conductor of electricity and some are poor conductors of electricity. So here the answer will be petrol. Petrol is not a conductor of electricity because it doesn't allow electricity to flow through it. Next is, electroplating is a method of electroplating. It is the process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on any another material by means of electricity. So here the answer will be C. Next is an electrolyte. What is electrolyte? It is a liquid that conducts electricity. So here answer is A. Fourth, the electrode that is connected to the negative terminal of battery is called cathode. Adding a metallic salt to water increases its electrical conductivity. That means it increases the electrical conductivity of water. Next is, a tester is used to check the conduction of electricity through two liquids labeled A and B. It is found that bulb of the tester glows brightly for liquid A while it glows very dimly for liquid B. You would conclude that. So here answer will be liquid A is a better conductor than liquid B, because in case of the liquid A, the LED is glowing bright. Next, Phillips. Water mixed with salts is a dash conductor of electricity. It is a good conductor of electricity. Most liquids that conduct electricity are solution of acids, bases and salts. The passage of an electric current through a solution, it causes dash changes, it causes chemical changes. If you pass current through copper sulfate solution, copper gets deposited on the plate connected to the negative terminal of battery. Okay, we will study it in detail when I will explain this electroplating. So copper, it gets deposited on that object that is connected to the negative terminal of battery. The process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on another material by means of electricity, this process is called electroplating. Electrolysis occur when electrolyte is in liquid state. Next is true false. Metals are conductors of electricity. Yes, metals, they allow electric current to flow through it. Metals are conductor of electricity, so the statement is true. Pure water is a good conductor of electricity. It is false because pure water is a poor conductor of electricity. It doesn't allow electric current to flow through it. And electricity can cause a chemical reaction in a solid conductor. No, it is false. The passage of electricity through an electrolyte causes a chemical change in it. Yes, when electricity is passed through an electrolyte, it causes chemical changes in that. So the statement is true. LED detects weak currents of an electric circuits. It is true. LED means light emitting diode. Light emitting diode, it is used to detect the weak currents in the circuit. So the statement is true. Now I am starting with the short answer type questions. Why do we get electric shocks? We know that human body is a good conductor of electricity. When do we get the electric shocks? We can get electric shocks in various situations, like when we touch any electricity, when we come in contact with any electricity outlet, or if in contact with any faulty electrical appliances, or in contact with any wiring. So in any of these following situations, we can get the electric shocks. We get electric shock because of the flow of current, because of conduction of current through our body to earth. What is an electric tester? Electric tester, it is a device that is used to check whether any object, whether any material, it allows electric current to flow through it or not. Next, when the free ends of a tester are dipped into a solution, the magnetic needle shows deflection. Explain the reason. Here you can see on page number B633, figure has been shown. When the free ends of the tester, you can see this circuit is the tester. When the free ends of this tester, okay, when the free ends of a tester, they are dipped in a solution, then the magnetic needle shows deflection. When these free ends of the tester will be dipped into the solution, the circuit will be complete and current will start flowing through the wires. Okay, because of which the magnetic needle will show the deflection. Next is, what is electrolysis? How is it useful in industries? Electrolysis means any process. It is the process in which the solution of any chemical compound, it conducts electricity and causes chemical changes. Okay, and this electrolysis process, it has many applications in industries. For example, for extracting the metals from ores, for refining the metals, various metals like copper, gold, silver, etc. And also for electroplating. Electroplating we will discuss in detail in long answer type questions. Next is, name 3 liquid which when tested in the manner shown in figure may cause the magnetic needle to deflect. In this question, they are asking about the good conductors of electricity. So you can write the name of any 3. For example, tap water, lemon juice, copper sulfate solution. Sixth, in case of a fire, before the firemen use the water hoses, they shut off the main electrical supply for the area. Explain why they do this. Because water is a good conductor of electricity. So the firemen before starting their work of putting off the fire with the help of the water hoses, they shut off the electrical supply for that area, because water is a good conductor of electricity, and the fireman holding the water hose may get a severe electric shock. Is it safe for electrician to carry out electrical repairs outdoor during heavy downpour? Explain. Heavy downpour means during heavy rainfall. No, it is not safe, because electrician may get electric shock. So it's not safe for electrician to carry out the electrical repairs outside during the heavy rainfall. A boy staying in a coastal region tests the drinking water and also the sea water with his tester. He found that compass needle deflects more in case of sea water. Explain the reason. Because sea water is more salty. Okay, it contains more salts. So we know that sea water is more salty as compared to normal water. Okay, so sea water is a better conductor as compared to the normal water. So that's why in case of the sea water, compass needle, it shows the more deflection. So dear students, this is all for today. The rest of the questions, long answer type questions, picture based questions and HOTS question we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.